little artists! Welcome back to Chinky Drawing Art! Today we're drawing something musical, magical, and full of old school fun. It's a radio! Grab your black marker and let's get started on this fantastic adventure. Let's begin with the outline. Don't worry, just follow along with me step by step. Draw the first shape. Now, at this curve here, take your time, little artists. We're not in a race. Great job! You're doing amazing! Now, let's finish the rest of the shapes and details. Who knew drawing could be this much fun, huh? There you go! Our outline is ready! Now comes the fun part. Let's go over the lines to make them bold and bright. Use your marker and trace slowly. Steady hands and proud hearts. It's coloring time. Are you ready to bring your art to life? Red color, la la la, so bright and bold. Subscribe to Chinky Drawing Arts for more fun and easy drawings. Are you smiling while drawing? I hope so. This is turning out to be so awesome! Slow and smooth.
You must try this.
You're making this look so beautiful. Wow! Let's add a little bit more. Just like that. Wow! Look how cool your drawing looks already. Ooh, look at those colors shine. It's looking better than ever.
Nice.
And you did it! Just look at your drawing. It's bright, it's bold, and it's beautiful. Just like you. Give yourself a high five. You worked so hard, and it totally shows. Before we go, don't forget to share your artwork with someone you love, make them smile today, and hit that thumbs up if you had fun drawing with me. See you soon, little artists. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep shining.